Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So today Richard and Owen have been working on this 2024 Ford Focus. I can't tell you what mark it is because the Focus has been around and a family favourite for many years, but this is the newer model with the new whopping great big Sync 4 connected media system. So this lady came to us after a reversing camera. She's already got factory fitted parking sensors but wanted an aftermarket camera solution to be able to view on her Sync 4 head unit inside. So starting at the back here, we'll just show you what we've done. So Owen has fitted a neat little wedge camera in the back. Now, due to the fact that this factory grab bar has got the boot opening feature in the middle of the underneath or in the middle of the boot lid, and either side you've got the factory LED lights, we've gone for a slightly off-center position because we've had to, but use one of our smallest cameras that we can fit in there. From the inside, it's then been glued and silicone sealed to stop any water ingress. Because we are still in the winter months, or in the middle of the winter months, and then the cabling has been brought in through the boot, through the grommet, and then all the way to the front of the car. So we've done quite a few Ford vehicles for reversing cameras, but to date they have been the Sync 2, 2.5 and 3. So this, what you're about to see for the Sync 4, is the very new. We have already done on our sister channel, Motorhome Retrofits, a 2022 Ford Transit E-Van with the Sync 4. So that's how long they've been around now, but only started to make it into the passenger cars in the last year or so. So join me in the front and we'll show you it working. Okay, sat in the front, the cabin is typical Ford Focus really. It's to the point, it's, you know, great value for money for these things, but technology has moved on. You've got your start stop button without having to need a key. You've got your automatic handbrake. You've got your hill hold assist. You've got folding mirrors. To be honest, you get a lot of car for the money. This is the new Sync 4 system. I believe it's a 12-inch display, but I have seen a couple of variants of this. So we're just open the door. And the reason why I've done that is just because whenever you open the door and also on the virtual cockpit here, then the Ford boots itself up, which is quite nice as well. So if we just start the engine up, just shut the windows. Okay, it's an automatic gearbox, so as soon as we put the vehicle into reverse gear, you then get the automatic image from the reversing camera on the display, which is quite nice. But you've also got the overlay for the parking sensors. So I would have said this is a 70-30 type display, a nice clean image of the reversing camera. Now, as I said a couple of minutes ago, the reversing camera is not absolutely dead central to the car, and only because of the fact that you've got the factory grab bar in there. But if I was to press and hold the return key on the steering wheel, if Sammy can just get me a picture of me doing that. So I press and hold this for 2 seconds, and it changes the image to an absolutely whopping full-size image of the reversing camera, but you can still see the overlay for the factory parking sensors up on the dash. This is very clean and very clear. Hopefully the camera's picking it up, although with LED lighting and everything else, it does seem to cause a bit of a screen flicker. So that's full screen image with the overlay for the parking sensors. I'm going to press and hold the button again, go back to the main image, which is what you'd normally see on a day-to-day basis. You've got your heated seat controls, you've got your climate control, everything that you need to without having extra control panels, parking sensors, and a reversing camera. So if we just pop it back out, and it goes back to its normal audio, and then if we pop it back in, you've then got your reversing camera. So this is a 2024 Ford Focus with the Sync 4 massive multimedia media station, I suppose, or operating system as well. And we have fitted our aftermarket reversing camera and interface to work in conjunction with this car and to provide seamless integration. If you've got a vehicle like this, whether it's a car or a van, and you want to benefit from a reversing camera, then please do get in touch with us. Website link is in the bio, and as usual, thank you for watching.